Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module, problem number 3, electrodynamics. Okay. New webcam. Watch the difference. First, we come towards statement. Okay. Calculate the divergence of the following vector functions. Okay. Calculate the divergence of the following vector functions. Part A, VA, where A is written as a subscript of V equal to x square, x unit vector, x cap, plus 3x z square, y unit vector, that is y cap, minus 2xz into z cap, that is z unit vector. Part V, VB, where B is written as a subscript of V equal to xy, x unit vector, x cap, plus 2yz, y cap, that is y unit vector, plus 3zx, z cap. Part C, VC, where C is written as a subscript of V equal to y square, x cap, that is x unit vector, plus 2xy plus z square within bracket into y cap, that is y unit vector, plus 2yz into z unit vector. Okay. Now we come towards its solution. We know that divergence of f is written bold, that is vector function. Okay, divergence of f is equal to del operator dot f. Del operator, also called nebula, dot f. Okay, dear students, we know that del operator nebula is equal to I unit vector partial over partial x plus j unit vector partial over partial y plus k unit vector partial over partial z into, in place of f, we are writing components of f along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay, f1, where 1 is written as a subscript of f, f1 I unit vector plus f2 j unit vector plus f3 k unit vector becomes equal to partial f1 over partial x plus partial f2 over partial y plus partial f3 over partial z. What we have done? We have simply given definition of divergence of f. Okay, according to this definition we will solve our problem. Okay, hence del, that is nebula, del operator or nebula dot VA is equal to 2x plus 0 plus minus 2x equal to 2x minus 2x equal to 0. Now we explain this. Okay, dear students, here VA is equal to x square x. Okay, plus 2xz square y unit vector minus 2xz into z unit vector. And here dear students, we will take partial derivative of x square with respect to x. Similarly, we will take partial derivative of 3 xz square with respect to y, and we will take partial derivative of 2xz with respect to z. Okay, here we will get 2x. Okay, but here y is absent, so its derivative with respect to y will become 0, while here z is present, therefore we will get minus 2x. Okay, so our answer will be 2x plus 0 minus 2x. Okay, 2x plus 0 plus minus 2x, this will result 0. Okay, hence del dot VA becomes equal to 0. Now we come towards del operator or nebula dot VB. Okay, dear students, here VB is equal to x unit vector plus 2yz y unit vector plus 3z x z unit vector. Okay, we will take partial derivative of xy with respect to x. We will take partial derivative of 2yz with respect to y, and we will get partial derivative of 3zx with respect to z. Okay, so in the first term we will get simply y, in the second term we will get 2z, and in the third term we will get 3x. Okay, so what we will get? We will get y plus 2z plus 3x, y plus 2z plus 3x. Okay, y plus 2z plus 3x. Okay, clear? There should be no doubt. Now we come towards del operator or nebula dot VC. Okay, dear students, VC is equal to y square x unit vector plus 2xy plus z square y unit vector plus 2yz into z unit vector. Okay, we will take partial derivative of y square x with respect to x, and it will become only y square. Okay, now in this term we will get partial derivative of 2xy plus z square with respect to y. Okay, here, dear students, here in place of z square we will get 0, but in place of 2xy we will get 2x. Okay, because partial derivative of y with respect to y will be 1 and we will get 2x. Okay, here we will get 2y. No, here we will get y square plus here we will get 2x, and here z is present, so we will get 2y. Okay, then finally what we will get? We will get y square plus 2x plus 2y, y square plus 2x plus 2y, oh yes, dear students, actually there is no x. We were making a mistake. This x is actually unit vector. If it is y square x, then we will get y square. Okay, here partial derivative of y square with respect to x will be 0. Okay, so we will get 0 in place of first term. Here y is present, so we will get 2x from second term. Similarly, z is present and we will get 2y from the third term. Okay, so what we will get finally, we will get 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y. Okay, so our problem is almost done. Okay, del dot VA becomes equal to 0. Del dot VB becomes equal to y plus 2z plus 3x, and del dot VC becomes equal to 2x plus 2y. Now we come towards the reference from where we have chosen our problem. Our reference book is Introduction to Electrodynamics by David J. Griffiths. Its author is Pearson. Its author is David J. Griffiths, while its publisher is Pearson. Its fourth edition 2013 is being followed or being observed. Okay, it's chapter number 1, vector analysis, is presently under consideration, and our problem has been selected from exercise number 1.15 of this book, and this is the end of our module. Okay.